I had a very solid and robust foundation to build on. A foundation very painstakingly laid by the 3 times Prime Minister, my father, Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, and the 3 times Chief Minister and the current Prime Minister, Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif. Their remarkable achievements in economic development, infrastructure, health, and education are my inspiration and my guiding lights. Ladies and gentlemen, my challenges as the first woman Chief Minister and the first woman Chief Executive of Punjab was not only to upgrade and uplift the physical infrastructure of the educational institutions of Punjab, but to also address the stagnation in the approach to education in order to match the rapidly evolving educational and technological landscapes, global landscapes. Worthy friends of education, I am very happy to share that Punjab has launched one of the most ambitious school education reform program in our history. My objective is not just literacy, but fostering a learning environment that liberates, not just brick and mortar, but inclusion. This gathering, under your gracious patronage, my dear First Lady, Amina Unwan, is not only a celebration of women's leadership, it is a collective act of moral imperative. It asks, what can we do together that we cannot do alone? How can the stories of our people find echoes and answers in one another's land?